Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint clam chowder. Alright, the question of the day is, what is the origin of New England clam chowder? Alright, let's get to the colors.
Quin red, pearly red, cad yellow, hammer yellow, phthalo blue, quin blue, phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white.
Alright, today we're going to paint a bowl of clam chowder. Alright, for this painting we've kind of laid in that blue. Hopefully it doesn't drip. Blue is known to drip, so I'm like, hopefully this doesn't drip. We got the yellow forming here. That blue, hopefully it's stable. It looks a little, let's take this off. It's a very tricky color to work with where you want it to coat, but then it comes off on anything. We got kind of the potato soup. I got a nice really nice light tan color for the soup. You can't really use a pure white, which your eye kind of sees it as white soup, but you want to kind of tone that down so that you do have highlights in white, which I do have a lighter white. It's still not a pure white. I don't think that's appropriate with that soup. I got the parsley in there. It's kind of looking realistic. We'll see how that comes out. Right now it looks okay. So I'm not too unhappy with that. I gotta add the bacon, maybe a little bit redder so a little pops more versus the contrast of the potato. It kind of blends in right now. You don't know if it's potato or bacon. We do have a little bit of green things for the clams, so I gotta work on those. I think those are, detail those a lot, and those will make that stand out against the rest of the soup, and hopefully we'll see what goes on the next layer. So the clam chowder actually came from Minorca, off the Spanish kind of islands, and as the Spanish colonizers came to Americas, they brought it first to, they brought the tomato-based clam chowder, and that was kind of taken up by Manhattan, so that's the Manhattan version now. And when it came to New England, they decided to use cream in base, so you got the cream-based version. And when it got to Delaware, Delaware made a clear base broth version, so there's the tomato, the original version from Minorca, and then the cream-based version in New England, and the clear broth version. So that's the three types of clam chowder in America. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I got this really nice, kind of really cool blue background to really make that soup kind of stand out with the nice orange background on the bottom. I'm not sure that's exactly parallel, but I just kind of went with it. Got a nice kind of brown shadow on the soup. I kind of keyed in the soup again to kind of make it look more as the soup would be lumpy, at least the American style. It's not thinned out like the European style. It's chunky style, so to say. Added in those dark brown bits to kind of give the suggestion of bacon, so I think that stands out. And also the parsley, of course, so I think that works pretty well. Overall, I think it's pretty good color contrast in the background. The pot stands out. It reads pretty much like a soup. Overall, I think it's pretty good. Not my most favorite, but it has a nice complexity to it. Hopefully, it makes you guys hungry for a bowl of soup in the winter if you're in New England. Hopefully, you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.